Good morning, and this is a recording for Friday, June 6th. The Zen story for today is titled The Master Who Never Moved. There was once a renowned swordsman named Renshu who lived at the edge of a quiet village. Despite the isolation, his reputation spread far beyond the valley. It was said that no one had ever seen him draw his sword, and yet he never faced defeat. One day, a young warrior named Daiki arrived in the village, eager to challenge the master. He has spent years perfecting his technique, defeating opponents in countless duels. Certain that his speed and precision would surpass any man, he made his way to Renshu's small wooden house. Standing before the old master, Daiki bowed. "I have come to challenge you." Renshu, sitting cross-legged on his porch, did not look up. "Then strike." Daiki hesitated. The old man's stillness unsettled him. He drew his sword in a single motion, the blade gleaming in the afternoon light. But before he could step forward, something held him back. The master had not moved, had not reacted, or even blinked. The wind shifted. A leaf spiraled to the ground. Daiki's grip tightened, yet still the master remained as he was, silent, unmoving, present. Moments passed. The tension in Daiki's body began to fade. The energy he had built up, the intent to strike, all drained away like water slipping through open fingers. His arms fell to his side. He took a step back, then another, then bowed deeply. Renshu finally looked up and smiled. Daiki sheathed his sword and left the village without a duel, yet knowing he had already lost. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body and arrive in stillness. Gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to do anything, to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. When thoughts come, let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. Simply be in this moment, just as it is. Now take a moment to reflect. What does it mean to win without fighting? What does it mean to win without fighting? How does stillness challenge the need for action? How does stillness challenge the need for action? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections and to check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with during your day. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.